This machine is designed for large-size metal marking applications. With a working area of 1,500 by 3,000 millimeters, it allows customers to process large panels directly without cutting the material into smaller pieces. These screws helps reduce positioning errors and improves production efficiency. For large work pieces, the biggest challenge is usually maintaining consistency across the entire surface. Our large format design provides a stable working platform and precise motion control, ensuring accurate marking from one side to the other. Compared with manual positioning or multiple setups, this solution can save time and improve repeatability. This machine is suitable for customers who need large stainless steel marking, elevator decoration panels, metal logos and patterns, industrial identification, customized metal products. If you are looking for a laser marking solution for large-size metal products, this 1500300mm system may be the right choice for your production. Follow Hidek Laser for more laser application videos and technical explanations.